our pleasure to see all of you here today on the first and the foremost event of 9th Global Festival of Journalism, Noida 2021 online. I'm very happy today we have with us some very, very important guests with us. And we are very happy that today we are launching a wonderful exhibition by His Excellency Mohammad Senjik, the Ambassador of Bosnia and Herzegovina. We have with us His Excellency Balmiki Prasad, the former governor, and definitely a known classical dancer, Anuradha Sharma-ji, and Dr. Hemlata Mohan from Ministry of Culture. We're very happy in a span of all these 6 years, ICMEI has almost touched 145 countries of the world, and we have developed one or other kind of a relation with these countries through art and culture. We have always believed that love, peace, and unity can be created only through art and culture. That's the easiest, fastest, and the best way. Well, welcome to this beautiful webinar. Thank you very much.
My experience was wonderful, actually, because the profession of journalism, art, same of art and culture, is what I can say. It can give, comparing with any other profession, it can give very much satisfaction, pleasure, and everything. I'm very much happy in participating in this program.
Today's event is related to the exhibition of Kumbh Mela. For this occasion, I would like just to add that 2019 was globally marked with two events. One that started in January 2019, which is Kumbh Mela, which is the biggest gathering of humans on the earth, and other one is started in the end, unfortunately, of that year, which is pandemic. Both events are very attractive for photographers, and by its nature, both events are totally opposite. First one is a story about gathering people who are, although you have millions people around you, all of them are there for their personal needs to boost their spiritual strength, and being together as a crowd, it comes from the second place. First is, although there are in millions, everyone is for himself only, and this intention makes them special, unique. In the end of the year 2019, when started COVID pandemic, people were forced to take distance, to avoid gatherings. So for all of them, the spiritual strength is kind of boosting their immunity. I hope Indians, due to this spiritual strength, are surviving COVID very well these days. Thank you all for honoring me to participate in this 9th Festival of Journalism.
I think you are lucky and you have exploited your own talent, because you've been a journalist for 17 years. You've been a very well-known photographer back in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Here you are definitely holding a very, very prestigious post as the ambassador of Bosnia and Herzegovina. And this exhibition is a wonderful beginning to the 9th Global Festival of Journalism. And now may I request His Excellency Balmiki Prasad-ji to please formally inaugurate this exhibition. His Excellency.
Thank you, Marwaji, for inviting me to participate and inaugurate. Let me at the outset declare the exhibition inaugurated. This inaugural event has led to a book which will be treasured by all those who believe in a spirituality, who believe in Kumbh Mela's ethos, and who believe that a world can be rebuilt on lines of spirituality, on lines of harmony and peace. I'm so happy that you are now linking India through your exhibition with Kumbh Mela. And this is something which is at a higher level. And I'm glad that Marbaji had chosen this theme.
It's a high time that we must now see the exhibition. May I request Sri Manik Das, right from Raipur, to open the exhibition for all of us. Wow, very nice.
Beautiful.
Great. Excellent show. My heartiest congratulations to His Excellency. What a wonderful show. Each and every picture is like a diamond. I think each and every picture you can spend a lot of time to look into the depth you have covered. I think I can spend whole day in looking at these pictures. Excellent, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I wish your festival of Global Festival of Journalism full success as all 8 before. And I hope to see you soon, all in good health and high spirit.
We are very happy. We are very excited today on the opening of this exhibition, and especially by our dearest and honorable His Excellency Balmiki Prasad ji. He has also spoken wonderful words. I hope people should learn from Kumbh itself, as His Excellency Balmiki has just said. It is the biggest amalgamation and collection of love, peace, and unity in itself. With all these words, I extend my heartiest thanks to each and everyone present here on this webinar.
Thank you very much for introducing us once again this wonderful Mela. मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ His Excellency बाल्मीकि प्रसाद सिंह, फॉर्मर गवर्नर ऑफ सिक्किम। मैं आप सबका दिल से धन्यवाद अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने बहुत ही अपना कीमती समय हमें दिया, और you have really spared your valuable time and blessed us with your word of wisdom. थैंक यू वेरी मच। और मैं ऑडियंस का भी बहुत शुक्र अदा करना चाहता हूं कि आपने भी अपना कीमती समय दिया और इस एग्जीबिशन को आपने एंजॉय किया। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू एवरीवन।